In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to better navigate your computer with a few essential tips and tricks using simple keystrokes. Whether you're a seasoned computer user or just getting started, these shortcuts help make your interaction with your computer more efficient and enjoyable. First, let's head over to your desktop. If you're like most of us, it's your digital home base where all your important folders, files, and shortcuts reside. Moving to the desktop is as easy as minimizing all your current windows, which we'll get to shortly. If you're working in a cluttered environment with multiple windows open, this will come in especially handy. Next up, we're going to ensure that you've chosen your browser of preference. For this demonstration, my choice is Google Chrome, but feel free to opt for any browser you're comfortable with, whether it's Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Browsers are essential tools that connect us to the vast world of information on the internet, so open up your browser and get ready to explore. Now here's a little trick you might find very useful. By simultaneously pressing the Windows and M keys on your keyboard, you instantly minimize all your open windows. Imagine you've got a dozen applications open and you just want to see your desktop. This shortcut makes it happen in a heartbeat. It's the swiftest way to clear your screen without closing any of your ongoing tasks. Once you've admired your lovely desktop, or perhaps gathered the files you needed, you can reopen the windows with ease by hitting Windows, Shift, and M keys all together. This keystroke does the opposite of the previous shortcut, allowing you to maximize all the windows you minimized. Think of it as a quick and efficient way to restore your workspace exactly as you left it. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful set of keystrokes that can improve your day-to-day computer usage. Remember, using these shortcuts not only saves time, but keeps your workflow uninterrupted, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Once you've mastered these, feel free to explore other keyboard shortcuts out there, as they can significantly enhance your productivity. I hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful. With practice, these simple commands will become second nature. Dive in, try them out, and see how they can transform your daily computer navigation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.